Hi friends, today on Chikash Platter of Joy, we are doing a very different treat with coconut shells. So what I have done is I have removed all the coconut. Though Chika loves coconut, so I have kept some here for her. But if your dog is not too fond of coconuts, then just remove all the coconut. This is a very good mental stimulation game for the dogs. So what we are going to do is, I have got 3 here and I am going to fill this up with different fillings. So one filling that I am going to do is the spinach filling. So what I've done is I've blanched the spinach here, spinach leaves, and I'm going to add some of chicken stock, just a little, and I'm going to make a paste and a puree of this. So I've made this chicken spinach puree. If you want, you can add mint leaves, you can add parsley, you can add different green stuff. And all I'm going to do is I have taken a bowl or an empty katora like this, and this is just so that when we put this in freezer, it doesn't tumble down. So this gives a nice base to the shell. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to the shell, and just to make it more interesting, what I'm going to do is I have cheese here, so I'm just going to add a few slices of cheese inside. So this is just to make this more interesting, because normally dogs are not too fond of spinach. So I've added chicken soup and I've added cheese. And cheese is everyone's favorite. All dogs love it. I'm going to show you how Chika Ash, and we have Chika's friend Hannah here. Friend and sister. Ash, come here. Let's see how they relish cheese. Ash, come here. Who loves cheese? Oh yes. Oh yes. So these 3 are sisters. That's the youngest sister, that's the middle sister, that's the eldest sister. So this is done. All I have to do is just freeze this and a yummy treat is done. Now what we'll do is we'll do a second treat here. So now we'll do the coconut treat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some yogurt. You can also take cream cheese if you like, or buttermilk, and this is peanut butter. So what I have done is I have taken yogurt about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and I have taken about 2 to 3 tablespoons peanut butter, and I have papaya here. So I have taken about 4 pieces of papaya. You can use banana, you can use apple mash, or any other fruit that your dog likes, and I'm just going to mix it all up in the mixer. So this has become quite thick. It's not of pouring consistency. So I'm going to add a little water to it. Just a little to make it to the pouring consistency, and mix it all up again. So this is done, and I'm just going to pour it inside and just level this up, and that's it. I have to freeze this now. I've again taken a base, a good base, so that the shell doesn't tumble. So these two are ready now. And now we are going to do a third one. So what happened is, while scraping the coconut, there was a hole accidentally that happened. So I'm going to close this with peanut butter so that whatever we are pouring in here doesn't come out. So like this. Just close the hole with peanut butter. And this is the easiest treat that we are going to make now. What I have done is, I have boiled chicken pieces. These are boneless chicken pieces. And please don't give any cooked bones to the dogs. They are not good for them. And I've shredded it. And I'm just going to add it to this. And again fill it up with chicken stock. And this is ready. So these are amazing mental stimulus. This has to go in the freezer for a day or two at least. And it makes for amazing mental stimulation for the dogs and some yummy homemade stuff. So I'm going to put this in the freezer now. As you can see, the refrigerator is already occupied with the girl stuff. This is pork bones that we have. We've just frozen them. This is what we normally give them. This one, and I've kept it in an airtight bag, and we give them usually in the evenings as a treat or a snack. This is pork. Again, it's frozen. We've already used 3 packets of it, and this I had shown in the Chikash Platter of Joy first video. If you don't have a Kong, this is a cucumber, and I've just filled it with peanut butter, and again freeze it and give it to the girls as treat. This is like really rock solid. So that's it for now. Do make these yummy coconut shell treats. I'm sure your dogs will love it. Just make sure this doesn't fall out, and it's safe here. Let it be there for a day. I'll show you tomorrow or day after how the girls really enjoy this. And so the frozen treat looks like this. I have kept it for 2 days, but as I mentioned earlier, you can just keep it for a day and see. It's all frozen like this. And this is the coconut one which I had made, since Chika loves coconut. So we are going to give it to her and see how she relishes it. Yes. Yes. You have to eat it. You don't just have to carry it, Chiktu. Who got a treat? Who got a treat? Down. Yes, good job. Good job. Who's relishing it? So this is going to keep her busy for an hour or two. So if you have any work, you can do that and let the doggo enjoy their time. Bagu, kiti khalla? Ole, Chika's already finished it. Yes. Who loved this? Yes. The tail wagging is not stopping. Yes. Come on. Down. Down. Yes. Have this. Good girl. Very good. And look at this tail wagging. Who's enjoying ice cream? Who's enjoying? Yes, she's talking to me by her tail. Who's enjoying? So I have made 2 more of these. This is beetroot mixed with chicken stock and chicken pieces, and this one has carrot and pumpkin puree mixed with peanut butter and yogurt. So let's see which one Ash likes. So what I do is I usually wash after they finish, I wash the inside and then I refill it and freeze it again. So let us see which of these two Ash likes. Ash, wait. Okay, now you get to choose. Which one do you like? Which one? So both are her favorite. Chicken is also her favorite and peanut butter is also the favorite. She chose the peanut butter one. Okay, good job. Super. So you enjoy now. I'm giving this one to Chiktia. Okay? Eat. Today we have whey with mint mixed together and frozen, and somebody is really excited to have this. Take. Yes, this is Ash's. Come, Ash, come. Asha?